What is up, Captain Atumbo here, and today I'm going to be telling you how to create an avatar in the Lynk app. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to open the Lynk app and allow it to load. Once it is loaded, you will be greeted with that menu that you need to enter your PIN into. Now it is a 6-digit code or a biometric code if your phone does support Face ID, fingerprint scanner, or whatever. For your PIN, you will be greeted with the main menu where you can see your name, notifications, and your balance. At the top left section, you will see your name and an abbreviation for your name, the first and the last letter of your name. You want to click that little square where the pencil is, and you will be greeted with the avatar section. Once you've clicked your avatar, it will take you to a menu where you can edit the background color. There are very few colors here, but you can select whichever one suits you for your background. Then you can move on to the next step by clicking the arrow on the right, which will bring you to your skin. Once you've selected your skin color, you can then click the next arrow again. That will bring you to selecting ears. Then you can select your nose. It's pretty much editing all of these minor details, selecting your hairstyle, changing the color of that hair. You can go with whatever color you want as long as it is within the colors that are. Move on to adding glasses to your face if you do wear glasses. Once you've added glasses, you can then move on to adding your final part, which is the top. If you wear hats, pullovers, or if you wear a fitted, you can add that as well. And then the final section, which is your outfit. There are 4 options for you to select from, and again, you can always return to change any of these, so you can select either of those for your outfits. Once you've selected your outfit, you can then select the outfit color of your choice to match either your background, personality, or whatever it is that you feel may be your favorite color. Once you've done all of this, you can then select the Done tab, and once you've selected Done, you will be out of this menu. That's pretty much all you have to do to edit your avatar. When you return to the main menu, you will notice that the top left section that only had your abbreviated name has now been changed and now displays your avatar. So that's pretty much it. Remember, if you haven't already used a sign-up bonus, you can use my code, which is on the screen right now. And also, thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I do a video, a live stream, giveaway, or some information just like this one. If this is your Captain Atumbo, you stay one by Atumbo. Take care.